Not enough is said about how good this lemon dessert is. A kind of super creamy custard that, let me tell you, doesn't have any eggs, you don't need an oven, and it doesn't have any flour. Amazing. Super quick. No oven or anything. I'm VT, and this is La Cocina de la Abuela, the only kitchen that doesn't use ginger. Stay until the end. You're going to love this dessert. And what am I doing now? Well, I'm squeezing a lemon. First ingredient, the freshly squeezed juice of 1 lemon. 45 milliliters is enough. If you want it a bit more sour, add a little more. 15 grams of plain gelatin so it thickens and turns out great. If you want it firmer, you can add up to 25 grams. Stir until it dissolves and leave it there to hydrate. Next ingredient, milk. 500 milliliters of milk, which is 2 cups. I'm going to use whole milk, but reduced fat or skim milk also works. We pour it into a pot. We turn on the heat. Low heat. We add heavy cream, 250 milliliters, which will make it creamy. And also 50 grams of sugar, a quarter cup to make it sweet. If you want it very sweet, use a whole cup. We heat it up. 1 minute, stirring so it doesn't stick. And now we have our hydrated gelatin, so we add it. We add the hydrated gelatin. And now we just stir. Still on low heat. 1 more minute to make sure all this gelatin will dissolve and distribute throughout the mixture. Stir until the gelatin dissolves. It won't take you any time at all, you see. It's ready now. I take it off the heat and give it a final stir so it cools down a bit. From here, we move on to some molds. I chose these small ones because they look really nice when you take them out. Oops, I dropped a little bit, but it's no big deal. Then we clean it up. Keep filling them. There we go, with a steady hand and good aim. And in just a few seconds, we'll have the dessert almost ready. We're going to give it a final touch at the end, and that's it. You know, if you've made it this far, subscribe and give me a like. I've run out of these molds, and I have a lot left over. So here I go, one big one, too big. But, well, it works. Fridge, refrigerator, 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we take it out and stir it so the lemon doesn't separate from the rest of the ingredients. Stir it a little and you'll have it right away. And now, back to the fridge, the refrigerator, for 2 hours. If the lemon is very sour, you might have to repeat the process again, stir it again. Final touch, as promised, lemon zest. And that's it. To the table, serve your fake lemon custards. Spectacular. Prepared in just a few minutes and with very few ingredients. You can't miss it. This recipe is amazing.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adugino d'amor, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto